Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can update your headshot across your command profiles. So currently there are 3 different places where you would update it, and they don't all communicate with each other. So you do want to make sure you're updating in all 3 places to make sure your branding is consistent and that it is showing properly wherever you would like it to. So first things first, we are going to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com. And we are going to navigate to our name in the top right corner. And once we click on that, we'll see a drop-down menu appear. The first place we want to do this is our referrals profile. So we're going to click referrals profile. And the referrals profile is going to be what other agents are seeing in command when they are looking for referral agents. So to edit this headshot right here, we're simply just going to click on the profile photo. And it will ask us to upload that photo we would like to use. So we're going to select it and it will upload it successfully. It may take a couple minutes to populate across your referrals profile. So we're going to navigate back over to command, and the next place we want to check is my profile. So once again, that drop down menu under our name, and we're going to navigate to my profile this time. So once that loads, you'll see your profile photo appearing in the About Me section. So we're going to click Edit, and then we are going to click Choose Another Image. Once again, it's going to prompt us to pick the image we would like to use. Once we do that, then we'll save changes, and it will tell you that it's been updated. And then last but not least, in fact, it's probably the most important profile for you to update it in. We're going to update this in our marketing profile. So our marketing profile is going to be what is showing on our website and what is showing in our campaigns that we send out. So to do that, we're going to navigate to the settings of the drop-down menu. We're going to click Connect Settings on the left-hand side, and then we're going to click Marketing Profile. And there you're going to see my photo up in the top, and we can say Upload. Again, it'll prompt us through this, and we'll say select. It is important to note that for all of these, you do want to make sure that photo is 360 by 360 pixels. Otherwise, it may appear as a broken image or may not populate properly. So once we've uploaded that image, we're going to scroll down and we are going to click Save in the bottom left. And there you have it. You have now updated your headshot across your command profiles. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help.